Welcome to AutoScaled. Today I will show you how to prepare your template. I have created this draft presentation using my own design to get started. Simply add in placeholders using curly brackets where you want data to appear. For example, I am adding a placeholder to dynamically populate the date from my CRM or spreadsheet. You can see there is an image placeholder here. AutoScaled can dynamically replace images. All you need to do is right-click the image, select Format options, click on Alt Text in the right-hand side menu, and add an image placeholder here. The image placeholder uses the same curly brackets as other placeholders. It's important when you map your data in our AI agent that you ensure the data is a link to an image. And that's all there is to preparing your template. Let me now add a few more placeholders before generating presentations with AutoScaled. We're all done. All there is left is adding a title and running AutoScaled. Let me show you the results and how presentations will be personalized after running AutoScaled. You will see the text and images have been dynamically replaced. AutoScaled populated data in the slides directly from your CRM or spreadsheet and personalized each presentation in seconds. Learn more about AutoScaled and how your team can personalize content at scale while saving time on our YouTube channel or at autoscaled.com.